Okay, hello everyone. Hello YouTube. How you doing? I hope you're all doing great. Welcome to another Monday. Trying to approach the market differently, right? Try to get some peeps out of it. And just let's begin. Yeah, let's begin our trading week. Hope everyone is doing okay, and then I hope this is gonna be a profitable week for all of us. So I would like to begin the analysis by saying that after the dump that Gbpy had on Thursday and then Friday continuously, we are seeing a rejection to this a massive dump that they took. Now we're gonna see a pullback to the zones of interest, or what I don't think it's gonna happen is that it continued to the downtrend, but we just wait to see. Either way, we're just gonna trade. If the trend is up, we're gonna buy, of course, and if it's down, we're gonna see the opportunity to go sell. So saying that, we've seen here that we are 0.32% up, so that's a good signal. Another pair I would like to trade is the Gbpusd, also slightly to the upside. This one didn't take that big of a dump on Friday, but still it's slightly recovering from the weekend and also from the week that we had before. So those are the two that we're gonna pay attention. Now in terms of news, what can we see? What do we have? Okay, nothing that will affect us today. Now we had some Turkish news and something about China stock, and then also from Argentina, but nothing that might affect our trading today. Let's see on the other side we have here. Still nothing. So in the morning we had some news about the manufacturing of the BSI, but for Japanese yen, but it was a low impact. So even though I was not trading at that time, but anyway, then the next one will be in 20 minutes. So yeah, we do have to be paying attention to that as well. There must be a slightly change in the trend or the market, but it has also a low impact on the news and on the trades per se, but it's about the machine tools order. So yeah, we have to wait and see. But for the one who trades euro in 1 hour, maybe for the London Open, we have some news there, but still low impact on the market. So yeah, that's it. There's no more. Let's jump to a chart, right? There's nothing else for us to see on the fundamentals. So there we go. Now let's begin our analysis, always right from the top to the bottom. We have to test also the weekly, because it's the beginning of the week, so we need to know what's going on in the weekly candles as well. So as you can see here, the previous week, the week that we had before this one, is obviously was a bearish candle, so it means that we are bearish for the weekend and for the week. But as you can see, we have this week which is a strong rejection. We have actually we have three of the same weeks in a row. So I have one here, then one here, and another one rejecting this big area here, this like this candle fill. So what it means is like we still might to have some bullish momentum after this, after the market recovered from this dump, this huge dump that we had last week. And so for this week, as you can see here, we have we are printing bullish candle, but we don't know yet, right? Just Monday, just the beginning of the week, so we need to wait. We have, for the weekly, we have a bias. Let me note this down. For the bias, that'll be to the downside. So let's see what we have on the daily. Okay, exactly. So the daily, we as you can see again, previous day was bearish, bad. We are printing bullish candle today. We finished actually on, that was Friday, we finished bullish. What means is that we're also printing bullish candle today. So we have to mark that for today's session, we might look to buy instead of selling, right? We have a bullish bias and we are printing bullish candles. So let's mark this 1 hour support that we're seeing here. So let's say we're marking the, okay, we have daily resistance. Just let me move. Where's the daily resistance here? Daily support, daily resistance. There we go. Okay, we're gonna move it. Okay, one area mark. Weekly support, no weekly, daily. Sorry guys, sticking to the daily. Okay, there you go. Daily resistance, I marked it there. Now we have daily support. Where's the daily support? We have it here. Then we have another support on the daily, so we might take another one from this candle. Okay, and let's go down to the 4 hour. So yeah, today is gonna be easy. Everything, it's indicated that we might have a bullish trend. So we have a bullish momentum now in the market before the London Open. I don't see any indication that it might go actually go down to have a contra a trend like a sell position. So let's mark a chart for the 4 hour system. So we are still respecting this area. Then daily resistance was here, we passed that, as you can see, no problem. That was 1 hour before. Those are the trades I took early. So let me take this out. So we have this 4 hour support. The weekly support, we have it here. Then where's the daily support? And here we go, we're gonna change. This is for the daily. Still going up. Okay, everything looks okay. Now we have make this resistance here as well. If we break this one in the lower time frame, for sure we might have a trade before the London Open. So let's go to a 1 hour. That's it. Respective, we're going up and up. Still, this is very good trend, breaking all the highs. So the indication will be that we might take a buy on this kind of trend. So what would be the best option? Like, what would be our zone? In a 1 hour, what we like to do is to look for the zone, right? The LTA, like clean candles. All those clean candles, like in here. This is a very good zone to trade, right? As you can see here, nothing is blocking this area. In the 1 hour, it's all clean candles here. Basically, if you want to do it even more precisely, I'm gonna take this area. This is the area I would like to maybe try to catch on the lower time frame. And let's see what I don't see any resistance here. We have the minus mini resistance here that we might take, but we have to actually pass all these candles here to be safe, right? So if we want to like take a I would not recommend this, but anyway, contrary, like a trade to the downside would be, for me, we have to break first structure, then second structure. So for me, it would be makes sense to take the trade here, down here. If the price doesn't break all these lows, and then try to make the same trade like on the upside here that we made last week. If the price doesn't pass this area, like a 181,600, then I'm not gonna sell the market. So because it makes no sense. Even though we have a clean area here that we might feel, what it is for me is like it might have a big pullback, but it could be like the reversal, then we go up all the way here to fill all these candles. So taking that into consideration, that we're still bullish on the 4 hour as well. Let's actually go to our 15 minutes. So this is the consolidation. As you can see, we have the consolidation, up move, consolidation again. So this is the 1 hour resistance, but we have also created another resistance here. So this is a tricky area. So that's why you have to wait, right? Because you might take this trade, you break in this, and you go up, try to fill this gap to the next resistance, but you have to wait for all this consolidation and all this drawdown, and you expect it to be broken by volume. But since it's 12:50 in where I am, so for us it's not finished the Tokyo section yet. So there's almost no volume in the market now. So you can see the candles are short. So there's no big candle like this. This means a lot of volume, and there was a great push, but it means it's going to the upside. That is rejecting this area, making lower highs, and we just have to wait. If the price managed to pass this area, pass this 182,600, and it stays like it tried to make some kind of candles that stay out of the area, break the resistance and stay here, then we have to wait for the market to make another structure like a support, and we're going up, all the way up. Try to, let's see if we can catch. So the first one is here. We have a watch zone in here, and then if we pass it, no problem, then the target will be here. That is our zone. That is my zone to be traded, right? Because you want to wait that all this area, all this ups and downs, choppy areas. Like this is the liquidity and all the blocks, everything is in there, right? Once you pass that, you are like non-stop. Even though here you have, let's say we pass this area, we mark it, and then we have, okay, 10 pips. If we pass that, then we have to put ourselves in break even, because it's still a risky move, because we have this resistance here that do not hold that much, but it might be interesting to see what the price does there. But even though if we pass that, then we're good to go. We most probably catch something like 35 pips. That would be perfect. So that is it for Gbpjpy. Hope you like the analysis. If you like this, please like it, and then please, if you're new to the channel, subscribe. I want just to create a community here, right, that we can, because I'm new also in this kind of market. It's only 1 year that I've been trading, so I just wanna share my thoughts about the market, my approach, and if someone wants to if you like my content, if you like the things that I do here, so please comment and we have a chat, share idea, things like that. That's my ultimate goal. So taking that into consideration, so please the subscribe button and also like this trade. Let's then jump into gold. Let's see what gold is doing. Okay, gold is interesting here, right? We have this week that was last week that we make a huge, we actually hit the all-time high, if I'm not mistaken, yes, and then we dump all the way the same thing, like all this progress that we made here, we just see dump in the same, almost like the same day, right? It took 2 days to form, and then almost 2 days to just drop it like it was nothing. Now this was because of the news. They had news on Friday, that also pushed the gold even lower. And now what we see in the daily is that what appears to be, we have a change of character in here. So if we manage to break this resistance here, that might be an indication that we are just gonna drop all the way down to this trend, like this huge momentum that we have over since October seems to be ending already, and we might be getting into next phase, which is apparently the downtrend. And if not, then it's just a pullback over this area. Actually, we break the high of this resistance. So what it means is, like, it might be a fake out and then actually going to the upside again. But for us, since we trade intraday, it means like we're still bearish, right? Still bearish on the day, and we're gonna mark. So this is our support from, here's our resistance, right? That was on Friday, previous day, we break it, going down. We're printing bearish candles, but we haven't finished the day, so we don't even know if it's gonna be a pullback or something like that. So we need to watch it. We have actually a very nasty area here, but this is the hourly, so this is the daily, sorry. Let's see what we have in a 4 hour. Interesting, right? Look what we have here. On the 4 hour, we make this bearish momentum, we break the lows, and we're making a structure, make a support on the same level, yeah, on the support that we marked previously on the daily. And it seems like, even though this is bullish, it seems like we are making a range here, so maybe just a consolidation for a couple of days. So it's nothing clear yet, but it seems to be a downtrend forming. So if we pass this support that is being created here, if we pass it, then yeah, for sure we might be able to, even though there's no clean area here, this is a mess. So yeah, you don't want to be trading actually in this zone. So for me, if I want to trade this, it's gonna be if we break down below this one, because here is the clean area. Here is the clean area. So many drawings here. So there you go. Here will be my selling position. Then if it's just a reversal and then we manage to stay a candle passing this area, staying bullish here, then we might catch this continuation to the upside, but still early to say. The 1 hour, still we're respecting, we're making support. It seems to be like we're gonna have this push by the London Open, but for me to trade this one will be if we pass this one, this resistance here that we have created. If we pass that, we manage to stay bullish on this resistance, then we make some kind of structure there, then I would take the trade for sure, no problem, because these are the clean area, clean candles, that there might be no traffic here to go up. But that's it. We still have to wait, because remember, we are daily, we're bearish, and the 4 hour we are mixed, so we're going up and down. So we need to wait and see. That was a beautiful move, huh? Seems like we have a push. Okay, we get go to the 30 minutes. Yeah, if we manage to stay above this resistance, where's the watch zone? That was the watch zone, right? Yeah. Almost 11 pips, 10 pips. Yeah, that's correct. So let's see. This is the 30-minute resistance. So if we manage to push and stay in this zone for a while and then past that, so we might be able to get the continuation we want. After this big move here, obviously what you want to see is a retracement like that, like the price needs to cool down, then get momentum to get another push. You don't want to catch like the whole movement and then just to buy at the top, because at some point it's gonna reverse. So you see the price is making the low and then go up, make the continuation. So you haven't been able to pass. This is what 30 minute resistance. No, 1 hour. Break this. This was the move on the 1 hour, but still I don't wanna be caught in all this. So we better go to the one with the 15 minutes. It's the one I used to trade. That's it. That's what we want. So something in there that give us. Now if we can find an entrance, maybe on the lower time frame, so we break it. Okay, now can I see an entrance here? Because I need this candle to stay like that and give me some bottom wick on the next candle, and then we push all the way through. Still that candle is forming, so it's 7 minutes. Still struggling to pass, and then it's gonna most probably because we don't have volume in the market yet. So we have the watch zone here as well. I want to see some structure leaving this support here for us to take the trade. I'm gonna put it anywhere here, but so something like that, right? It's gonna be then where do you want to put your stop loss? So we're taking it into the 15 minutes, right? So we want to put, like, if we take this trade, for example, at the break of the resistance, sorry, we have to put the stop loss down to this at the bottom of the range, because we don't know. Since we don't have confirmation, we don't know if the market wants to retest this area again and then go up. So that's why we need to wait until a candle closure above this area, which is still messy, and then give us the entrance we need to go smoothly to take profit and reduce the stop loss to this area, right? That makes more sense, right? You have a tightened stop loss and then better reward ratio. So this is 1 to 1.775, and remember, this is just a first target. It might continue go up, like up. You just have to trail it, and obviously, yeah, being careful with your stop loss, being careful with your take profit where you put it, and don't be greedy, right? If you see some rejection in this area, then close it full or close half, then you take profit as well anyway. Because what you want to do is to be safe, have a clean trade, and don't have to wait for all these pullbacks and all these consolidations that we have in this area and this area too. This is not clean. Like, if we pass that, then we have all this area like clean candles all the way, and that is like I said, 47, 43, almost 40 pips. That's more than enough. We just want a candle closure above the area, then some sort of rejection, and then boom, going up all the way. And we almost 1 hour to the Frankfurt opening, so that's gonna give us a little bit of a push as well. let's see, let's wait if this candle wants to do the trick. Wants to stay above the area that we mark, to see if we can actually catch this trade. Well, technically, yeah. Let's take this trade, right? Stay above and reduce. Let's have the bottom week. Okay, we are in the trade, right? Let's see what's happening. Actually, our stop loss should be below this, in case of it wants to come back to retest. But remember, we have the wash zone here. It's something. If something like managed to reject or to touch here, and then I don't see any continuation candles, then I will manage the trade. I will manage the trade because I don't want to be stuck in this zone. We have some rejections here, so we need a push, and then we don't have that much volume neither. So just want to see if this analysis works. If it's not, then I'm not gonna lose any money either, because I'm gonna go straight away to break even if the candles are showing me some kind of rejection in the lower time frame, like in the 5 minutes or even the 1 minute. Yeah, as you can see, the candle is having some problem leaving the zone. It's just slowly going up, but I mean, technically, yeah, we have a profit. We are not in drawdown yet, but let's see. Let's wait. It's candle closing in 10 minutes. So let's see if we have some volume here in the market as well. So it's either that. It's either we're gonna have the push, or we're just gonna see some kind of a structure forming here, then finally going out of this zone, out of this traffic, all this traffic that we have here. But still, we have to wait and see. Yeah, it's making rejection in the zone. There we go. Market creating a structure is better for us because it makes a support. It means that it's getting momentum to go up, but we might have a bigger pullback to the area. Hopefully it doesn't hit our stop loss, but Sorry guys, I have to go pee, if you don't mind. So let's wait a couple of minutes. So in 2 minutes, right? 2 minutes for candle closure. So let's wait a minute to see what happened actually. Why did my music stop? There you go. Okay, there we have it. We make a little pullback, like I said, it was a better indication for us that the market wants to respect the area and go up. And we are now seeing candles leaving this area, this traffic, and trying to push it to our watch zone, which is in here. If we pass that, then no problem. I'm pretty sure it's gonna hit our target. Then if not, then it means that it's gonna take a little bit longer than that, or we're gonna have some sort of pullback into the area, but I don't think so because of the market structure. As you can see, we're obviously in a correct trend, right? We're going, the trend is your friend, and we are trying to get this trend up after the market is open. Yeah, there we go, come on. There you go. There's volume coming into the market now. And let's see how it behaves on the watch zone that we see at 182,700. If we pass that mark in less than 30 seconds, then we'll be in a no worry zone, right? Easy trade. Next candle coming. Yeah, give me a bottom wick, but not too much, please. Yeah, what do we see here is the rejection, right? A rejection at the zone we expected. So when you have your plan, when you know what the price action is doing, there's no surprises, right? We knew that when the price came to this area, it's gonna make some sort of rejection, but we need to see if the price wants to respect the support or actually wants to just get a bigger pullback to this area. We knew that was a difficult zone, but still tradable. You take the risk, that's what you do. Then if the price passes this mark, then it means that we're wrong, and then next trade, right? But we still need to wait. Good thing is like there's no bottom wick, there's no top wick on this, so market could reverse at any moment, and then make the top wig on this one. There we go. Come on. It's getting a deeper pullback. Let's go to the 5 minutes to see what's happening there. If you already have made some sort of structure to reject that zone. No, yet it's just going down. So it seems to be that we still have this big rejection, right, on the at the resistance of 182. It's gonna probably hit our stop loss. We still have to see it, but it could reverse as well. But as we can see, there was a huge rejection on this. So that's why, yeah, sometimes you need to wait for confirmation, more confirmation than that. That it was a risky trade. We knew that if the candle didn't pass that area, that would be something for us to worry about. But you can not win every trade, right? And the analysis still correct for me to say, but maybe let me see if that was a strong rejection that we didn't took into account for us not to have any surprise. No, on the 4 hours it was okay, so it was just a rejection there. The market, as you can see, yeah, make it deep wick here, so rejecting the area as well as this, and so yeah, for sure we take that shot, and then I won't say we missed, but for sure it was difficult, it was tricky, so we might as well wait until this area was clean to trade to the upside, right? But anyway, I'm not sad or anything. It's like this is what it is. That's this trade. You did the analysis, didn't work out. You had the analysis anyway for my trade. Sometimes you lose, sometimes you win. That's it, a 50-50. So we need to wait yet. We haven't touched our stop loss, but it was a major pullback, as we can see. That anything can happen at this moment, right? We already touched the previous support, so it might be a reversal, I think, and again at this point, or we're just going to retest this 4-hour resistance, which is also quite heavy, and then we're gonna have a sell here. But since our bullish since our bias is bullish, I don't see why do we have to sell the market right now. Remember, we're still not in London, so that's something that it likes to do sometimes. Yeah, rejection before the volume comes in. So we still have to wait. Yeah, we're going back inside the range, but not bottom week now. We had no top week here, and then now no bottom week. So this is crazy. This is what happened when you have a big rejection like that in here. So we might, for future reference, we might just wait for the next candle to form here in this area. That was the clean area. Even though it was risky, yeah, I'm not gonna justify that. it is within the range, right? So that's why it's so difficult to understand the price action here, up and down. So, but anyway, let's wait to see what this no bottom wick candle make. Oh, they are.